We're at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Let's go check out the room that we stayed in. We got a standard room with the Volcano Bay view. This room has a nice separate bathroom area with a tub and shower combo. Got a lot of nice retro tile, bright colors. Solid little bathroom. Got your sink there. Moving to the living space, got a decent sized LED TV with a dresser. Got a table with 2 chairs, 2 queen beds, which are standard in these rooms, with a nightstand and phone. Some storage in there also. But the main feature of this room is the view of Volcano Bay. This is a upgrade option for these type of rooms. There's very few available, and if you catch these on a good rate like we did, we stayed for $120 for the night, so it's hard to beat. Look at that view. It's awesome. Thanks for following along.